Hello, welcome to the second portion of the show. Up next is our first act, is a group of performers from Mr. Houston's 4th grade class. They are presenting a skit called Birthday of Slam. Joy.
I don't know. Wish I would have studied more in school this year. You know, the day that it all went wrong was the day of the spelling bee. Up until that day, I was an idiot, but nobody else knew, you know. Then the spelling bee day popped up.
All right, kids, up against the wall. It's time for public humiliation. Spell the word wrong and sit down in front of your friends.
Yep, that's great for little eagles. Hey, everyone, look at me. I'm a moron. I wasn't even close. I was using numbers and stuff. That's why I admired the one kid who would spell the word wrong on purpose just so she could sit down. She knew she wasn't going to win, so I stand there for 3 hours.
Macy, first word. Cat.
K-A-T. Peace. What? I know there's 2 T's.
I remember my teacher asking me,
Eric, what is the I before E rule?
I before E. Always?
No, Eric, listen, it's I before E except after C. And when sounding like A as in neighbor and way. And on weekends and holidays and all throughout May, and you'll always be wrong no matter what you say.
That's a hard rule. That's a rough rule. Plurals were hard too.
Eric, how do you make a word a plural?
You put an S? You put an S at the end?
When?
On weekends and holidays!
No, Eric, no. Look, let me show you. Mark, what's the plural for ox?
Oxen. The farmer used an oxen.
Good, Mark, good. Eric,
What?
what's the plural for box?
Boxing. I went to boxing of donuts.
No, Eric, no. Look, let's try another one. Mark, what is the plural for goose?
Geese. I saw a flock of geese.
Excellent, Mark. Eric?
What?
Eric, what's the plural for moose?
Moosey! I saw a fucking moosey! There are many much moosey! Out of the woods! The woodsey! The beast wanted the food! The food and eat it! Is it? The beast wanted the food and the wood and is it?
Eric.
Classic.
You're an imbecile.
Imbecile! Jermaine! Jackson! Josephat! Tito!
What are you
Jermaine
talking
Jackson.
about?
No, worst day though was the day the science fair project was due. That was fun, right? Had to pop off the pillow. Oh no, the science fair. That was due today. I had 9 weeks to work on it, but I did nothing. All I have is a cardboard box. Unboxing. As I showed up, I was scared. I didn't have anything good. And then I found out that all the other kids, their parents made theirs for them.
No.
They were backing them up on flatbed trucks. There was this one kid with a volcano. A volcano! He can't even tie his own shoes, but he put
His shoes are tied.
I didn't know what to do for my science project. So I just brought in a paper cup filled with dirt. I'm an idiot and walk right on past it. As long as I was holding something, you know?
Oh, Celeste, what you got there?
Dirt.
Well, explain it.
Well,
I did it. What down the road? I don't run it. Here. Hold on. What?
So he was this one kid with the same solar system for the past 9 years, made out of styrofoam balls.
And you're breaking some new ground there, Copernicus.
The big yellow one's the sun.
Okay, what are these other
The
planets?
big yellow one's the sun.
Macy, what are these other
The
planets?
big yellow one's the sun.
Okay, the yellow one is the sun. What are these other
The
planets?
big yellow one's the sun. The big yellow one's
It's all our time. Thank you, guys.
I can tell the crowd loves that.